Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two things: coverage and hardware. Use Vodafone's postcode lookup or map to verify 5G in your area, because without coverage you can't connect. Next, check your plan. Make sure it explicitly includes 5G or request an upgrade. This unlocks network access. Finally, verify your phone supports 5G and that you have a 5G-compatible SIM. If not, order a replacement. Once done, power cycle the phone and proceed to network setup. You now configure the phone to actually use 5G. After inserting the 5G SIM, reboot so Vodafone can register your device on the network. Then go into Settings, right arrow Mobile Network, and set network mode to 5G/4G/3G automatic. This lets the phone pick 5G where available, but fall back when needed. Make sure carrier settings and the operating system are up to date, because updates often include important 5G compatibility and performance fixes. Once configured, test a speed check in a known 5G area. Finish by verifying performance and handling problems. You should run speed tests in multiple spots to confirm you're on 5G and seeing higher throughput. This also helps pinpoint best reception areas. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode, reinsert the SIM, or manually select Vodafone as the network. Sometimes APN settings need resetting. If issues persist, contact Vodafone support or visit a store so they can check provisioning or swap hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a different 5G phone to isolate device versus account problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.